Main control center for body temperature in humans is located in hypothalamus. When body temperature rises, the blood vessels of the skin dilates. The pH of human blood is maintained around 7.4. During dehydration, the body conserves water through the release of antidiuretic hormone. Now, which organ plays a major role in osmoregulation? Kidneys. The effector in a feedback system causes a response. Shivering when cold is an example of negative feedback. Process helps maintain homeostasis in plants. Transpiration. Positive feedback is essential in blood clotting. In thermoregulation, sweat glands act as effectors. Component of feedback loop compares the actual and desired condition. Control center. When blood sugar drops too low, the body releases glucagon. An example of positive feedback in human body? Childbirth. The term dynamic equilibrium best describes homeostasis. The endocrine system maintains homeostasis through chemical messengers. Which part of the brain regulates water balance and thirst? The correct one is hypothalamus. When blood pressure falls, which hormone helps raise it? Epinephrine. The following is a homeostatic mechanism related to pH regulation. Buffer systems. The receptor for detecting temperature changes in skin is called thermoreceptor. The liver contributes to homeostasis by converting glucose to glycogen. Which component of feedback loop sends information to control center? Receptor. Which system plays the primary role in maintaining homeostasis? Nervous and endocrine system. The hormone that reduces water loss in urine is antidiuretic hormone. Which organ acts as both a sensor and effector in temperature regulation? Skin. The main waste product removed by kidneys to maintain homeostasis is urea. The hormone that helps maintain homeostasis during fight or flight is adrenaline. Failure to homeostasis can lead to which disease? Diabetes. In cold weather, homeostasis helps conserve heat by vasoconstriction.